So I want to introduce you to the Vision Super by Merit's Health Products. The Vision Super is a Group 2 heavy-duty powered mobility product in the KU824, KU825 coded category that offers a 450-pound weight capacity. When the Super is removed from the shipping carton and the shipping material is removed, the components will include the base frame, the captain's or pan seat. The arms are already assembled on this captain seat. You'll have the LiNX joystick, you'll have a battery charger, and you'll have a 4-point seat post mount. Once the Super is removed from the shipping container and all of the packaging materials removed, the first step is to connect the batteries and to route the joystick. First, the thumb screws. There are 3 of them on the Super. We'll open those up and remove the shroud. Once the shroud is removed, we'll need to connect both the left and the right battery connectors. And then we're going to route the joystick cable up through the opening in the front of the shroud. While you're putting the shroud back on, we will need to make sure that the cotter pins for the 4 seat post mounts actually extend through the opening in the shroud to be able to get access to that when we install the seat. Once the shroud is mounted properly, we'll go ahead and reconnect the thumb screws to hold the shroud into place. And notice we've routed the joystick cable through the hole in the top of the shroud. After installing the front seat post assembly, we'll install the rear seat post assembly. And it's important to note that when installing the seat posts, that the attachment holes are the same in terms of the height for both the front and the rear seat post. When installing the seat onto the seat post, it's easiest to put the front assembly in first, and then the rear will simply drop in and lock into place. To remove, we would simply release the latch and pull the seat off. The final step in the assembly process is to route the joystick cable, connect it to the joystick, and adjust the joystick to the proper position. The tie wraps that come with the Super can be used to adjust the joystick cable to make sure it is out of the way. The Vision Super comes with a 2.5 amp off-board charger. To charge the Super, the 3-prong or XLR cable is inserted into the slot in the underside of the joystick. The cable is then plugged into the wall outlet for charging. Remember, if you're using a switched outlet in your wall, you'll need to make sure that the switch is in the on position to make sure there's power to the outlet, power comes to the charger, and then power comes to the chair. The Vision Super is a Group 2 heavy-duty power wheelchair coated in the KU824, KU825 category with a weight capacity of up to 450 pounds. It comes with 2 different seat options. One is a pan seat, the other is a captain seat, as we have demonstrated here. You'll note that the Super also is available with an optional power seat lift, and the power seat lift meets the KU830, KU831 Medicare code for Group 2 standard power wheelchairs with a power seat lift. With the Super, the power seat lift offers a 10-inch scissor style lift, but it reduces the overall weight capacity of the chair from 450 pounds without the power seat lift to 400 pounds with the power seat lift. The Super is a true mid-wheel drive powered mobility device which features a 20.7-inch turning radius for excellent maneuverability, especially in tight places. The ergonomic best-in-class captain seat offers superior comfort, and it is semi-recline and offers recline of up to 135 degrees, in addition to folding down for transport. The 12-inch knobby tires offer superior traction along with the 6-inch front and rear casters. In addition, the robust independent suspension can absorb up to 350 pounds on the footplate without tipping forward. The maximum speed of the Vision Super is 5 miles an hour, and with the 22 NF batteries, we offer a range of up to 20 miles on a single charge. Thank you for viewing this video on how to operate your Merit's powered mobility product.